Dear students, we will continue our discussion. In previous class, I discussed about distance time graph, and as we have seen, there are three types of distance time graph. When object is moving with uniform speed, at that time graph is a straight line, and we can see that we can calculate speed from that distance time graph. When object is moving with non-uniform speed, graph will be a curve line. And what do you think, when object is at rest, which type of graph you will get? So if you will draw a time versus distance graph when object is at rest, you will find that graph is a straight line parallel to time axis. It means with respect to time, as time passes, this on x-axis we take time and y-axis we take distance. So with respect to time, the position of object is fixed. It is not changing. Suppose this distance is 4 meters. So in first second it has traveled a distance of 4. In second, in third, in fourth, all the time it is fixed. So when body is at rest, the distance time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis. Now we have some questions based on this topic. You open page 107, NCRT, page 107. The first question is, what is the nature of distance time graph for uniform and non-uniform motion of an object? So as we have discussed, the nature of distance time graph for uniform motion is graph is a straight line, and for non-uniform motion it will be a curved line. Second question, what can you say about motion of an object whose distance time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis? So now I have discussed that if distance time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis, it means object is at rest. Third question, what can you say about motion of an object if its speed time graph is a straight line parallel to time axis? So what do you think? It means the object speed is constant because it is parallel to time axis. So it is your homework. You will solve question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1, 2 and 3. Now giving another question. For this is question number 4. For question number 4, you draw this graph. Zero, 10, this 20, this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. As you know, we have taken time on x-axis and we have taken speed, the another physical quantity, on y-axis. Yes, so graph is like this. Mark the point A, B, C, this is D and E, and you have to calculate the distance traveled by the object between 0 to 40 seconds. Calculate the distance covered between 0 to 40 seconds. Okay, so these 4 questions are homework. Then there is a question on page 112 NCERT book, that is question number 3. I think all students have not shown it to me earlier, so you must solve question number 3. That is very important question. That Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for the Abdul's trip? So solve this question also. Anyhow, it is your work to solve this question. Question number 1, 2, 3, NCERT, page 107, and question number 4 is based on graph. You calculate the distance covered between 0 to 40 seconds. Next week we will discuss about velocity time graph. Thank you.